Welcome to Cybersecurity 101, your comprehensive guide to understand the world of cybersecurity. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the fundamental concept, principle, and practices that form the foundation of cybersecurity. Whether you are a beginner looking to protect your personal information or a business professional interested in safeguarding your organization's data, this video is the perfect point for your starting. But before we get into the main video, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also, don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more videos like this. So now let's get into the video. Someone may ask, what at all is cybersecurity and why is it that it is so important? You just imagine a world without a locks on the doors or an alarming system to protect your home. Thieves can get into it at easy. But in today's digital world, your data are just as vulnerable as your possessions. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending your digital assets such as computers, networks, and information from thieves, damage, or unauthorized access. Cyber threats are rising day in and day out, and they come in different forms, from viruses and malware to hackers and social engineering attacks. As technology evolves, cybercriminals use different methods. That's why understanding the basics of cybersecurity is crucial to staying online. Our journey through cybersecurity will cover a wider range of topics, including the following. Number 1. Cyber threat landscape. An overview of different types of cyber threats, including viruses, malware, hackers, and social engineering attacks. Number 2. Core cybersecurity principle. Explanation of key principles such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability in brackets CIA, which form the foundation of cybersecurity. Number 3. Data protections. Guidance on how to protect your personal and sensitive information online, including the importance of strong password and encryption. Number 4. Device security. Tips and practices for securing computers, smartphones, tablets, and other digital devices from potential threats. Number 5. Network security. Information on securing home and businesses network to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Number 6. Password management. Strategies for creating strong and unique password and managing them effectively. Number 7. Phishing and social engineering attack. Understanding the tactics used by cybercriminals to manipulate individuals and how to recognize and avoid falling victim to these threats or these attacks. Number 8, which is the last one, system update. The importance of keeping software and operating systems updated to patch security vulnerabilities. This course covers different kind of people, whether you are a student, a parent, or a business owner, or simply someone who uses the internet. Cybersecurity matters to you. And I assure you, by the end of this video or by the end of these tutorials, you will have the knowledge and tools to better protect yourself and your digital asset from cyber threats or cyber criminals. I hope by now you have gathered all the tools to join us on this journey as we unveil the mystery of cybersecurity and empower you with the skills and knowledge to navigate through the digital world and stay safely. So stay tuned for our upcoming episode. We will dive deeper into the essential cybersecurity topics. Thanks for watching. I'll be very happy to see you in the next video.